Yeah, hello. Yeah, so I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Frando Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Yeah, so today I want to show you how you can make 80 to 100 cities a day without investing anything, how you can make 80 cities to 100 cities. Though this platform is an investment platform that you have to buy products, but I want to show you how you can use this platform to make extra money without investing anything. But before we start, disclaimer, I'm not a financial coach. I'm just a student who love making money online, so I do these videos purposely for education and entertainment. Yeah, so I'll leave the link of this platform in the description in case you want to join and also make money on this platform. Yeah, so this one way, this one of the ways you can use to make money. Have you seen that? Have you seen that they have products over here? So when you buy the product, buy the product, every day the product will earn you six Ghana cities. But let me show you one thing. I haven't buy any products yet. Let me go to my order for you to see. You see, you see that I haven't buy any products here. I haven't buy any products here. If I've bought any products, you see that my ID will be showing me here. This one is not my product. Yeah, I haven't buy any products here. So I will show you how to make money on this platform. Yeah. So when I go to my team, you see my team right now. The level one I have 45 people in the team, and level two I have 28 people in the team. So I want to show you the free way that I use to make this money. So let me show you the money I've made so far. And after that, I will draw this one for you to see. Yeah, so far I've made 700 cities on this platform. And today I will draw this 83 Ghana cities, but you can wait for it to yen a lot so that you can withdraw it. Because the minimum withdrawal is 60 Ghana cities, but I will draw it for you to see. So this is how you do to make the money. You go to my team and you come down. Have you seen this link? This link. You just share this link to your friends. When there are four ways to make money from the affiliate link. First of all, when you invite more than 100 people in the platform, even if the people don't invest anything, you will get 100 cities as 100 people invitation gifts. You see that thing? Yeah. And if you invite people, let's say 50 or 20 people, and even one of them invest and start buying their products, you also get 60 Ghana cities. You see that thing? Yeah. So me, this one of the things that I'm using to make money on this platform. I haven't invested in this platform, no. I just share these links to my friends for my friends to join the platform. So when the more they are joining, then the more I'm getting the money. So it's simple as that. If you don't have the money to invest, at times you have to. And let me tell you one thing: there is no way that we have free money. At least you have to run a service to get that money. So let's assume that you don't have the money to invest, but at least you can do something in exchange of money. You can't just say that I'll wake up in the morning, so I'll have to make money. No, you have to work for money. So don't let anybody lie to you that there's a free way to make money. No, there's no free way to make money. Though there's a simple way to make money, but there's no free way to make money. The free way, you also have to what? Do something in exchange of what? Money. So this one is just a free way though, but you have to exchange it with your service by sharing their link to your friends or by convincing your friends to join. So when they join, then you get commission from it. So is it free or is not free? Though it sounds like you didn't invest anything in it, but still it's not free because you did a service or you ran a service and they paid you for the service. So that's not a free way. In Africa, for instance, people think that like investing or putting money in something, that's not a free way. But if you don't put money in a business and you earn money, that's a free way. But at least you do something to make this money. Even this Ponzi scheme, you have to perform some tasks before they cannot even pay you. So there's no way that you can like do to what say like the free way to make money. No, you have to do something, and that's why I always say that me all this platform is some it's a bonus to my students. If you join my mentorship, I will leave my mentorship link in the description in case you want to join. If you want to join my mentorship, you join it. I will show you the legit ways to make money, and this platform are just bonus platform for you to join and make money. And I don't always tell my students that they have to invest. No, I show them the free way that they can use to make the money on this platform without investing anything. You see, so many of this platform that I do videos about it to my students, they don't invest anything, but they also want to make money from it. So if you join my mentorship, I will show you ways to make money, start your own business, and this platform are like bonus platforms that I will show you how you can refer people to make money. Yeah. So today I just wake up and it's in the morning. Like time is what 11:30. But when I wait for like let's say 12 to 1 o'clock, I will get an additional money. But let me withdraw it for you to see that. So this one you will withdraw it through your mobile money account. So you go to my account. This is where you add your account. You go to bank account, then you add your mobile money. So yeah, so the withdrawal is through only mobile money. Only mobile money. Yeah. So either Vodafone Cash or MTN mobile money. Yeah. So I'll go to withdraw and I'll enter like I want to withdraw everything. So I'll enter 83 cities. Then I'll do withdraw. So we see that the withdrawal request has been submitted. So in few minutes you see that it will reflect in my mobile money account. So have you seen that here? It's now on the processing. So when they send it, it will be what success. So you see that thing? Yeah, so that's how this platform works. That's how this platform works. You see that thing? And this one, I earn all this money from my affiliate links. That is why I say that if you don't have the ability to refer people, you cannot buy products over here and be earning 10% from the money you invested or from your own. So if you see this one's what natural gas power investment. So if you invest 200 cities, if you buy this product, it's 200 cities. It's 200 cities. So every day you be getting what 22 cities. This is how you buy it. You go to buy, and you select. You can buy it from your balance or KBP. So what is balance? Balance is this. Let me show you balance. Balance is the money you earn from the platform. So this is the balance. Right now I have zero balance. So you can buy it from this balance or you can buy it from your mobile money. It's that thing. Yeah, so there are ways of making money. And if you issue your payment and it's not coming, you can contact their customer service by WhatsApp or by Telegram. So that thing, huh? Yeah. So you can join their group and you contact them through that. Yeah. So just simple as that. And they also have Telegram. So this is their Telegram too. Is that thing? Yeah. So I will leave their link in the description in case you want to join and follow the process I've shown you to make money online by inviting people. Is that thing? Yeah, by inviting people, that one can make you money. Like just convince people to join this platform when they buy products or when they buy products, they will get 10% of the money they invested every day. That's how it is. Yeah. So thank you for watching me and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same, Randall Tech, and I'm out.